here is 1 hour ahead of the UK, making it 2:43 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening in the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out, causing injury. You may now make and receive calls, as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Please check that you have all personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. If you require any assistance here, then please do speak to our colleagues who will be happy to help. And for those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, we ask please that you remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and our crew will be on hand to assist. So on behalf of all of us on board and British Airways, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you, and a very good afternoon to you all.